This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the currency on Kayak. Whether you're planning a trip or just browsing for future adventures, knowing how to adjust the currency settings on Kayak can make your search easier and more relevant. Let's dive into this simple process to ensure you get the most accurate pricing information for your location or currency preference. First, you'll want to navigate to kayak.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or if you have it bookmarked, simply click on your saved link. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Kayak homepage, a hub for all things travel related, from flights to hotels and rental cars. This is where you'll start your journey in changing the currency settings. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Clicking on these lines will reveal a drop down menu with a variety of options designed to tailor your travel search experience. This is a common feature on many websites, providing easy access to settings and other functions without cluttering the main page. Once you've opened the menu, look for the option labeled Currency. This option is typically nestled among other settings, so take a moment to scroll through and locate it. Clicking on Currency will bring up a list of available currencies. Kayak, being a global travel service, offers a wide range of currency choices to cater to its diverse user base. Now, you'll want to select the new currency you wish to use. Browse through the list until you find your desired option. This could be your local currency or perhaps the currency of the country you're planning to visit. Once you've found it, click to select. This action changes the currency for all the displayed prices on Kayak, providing a more seamless and personalized browsing experience. It's as simple as that. You've successfully changed the currency on Kayak. This adjustment is particularly useful if you're monitoring travel costs in a specific currency or comparing prices across different locations. Changing the currency not only helps in budgeting, but also ensures that you have a clear understanding of how much things will cost in your preferred currency. And there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust your currency settings on Kayak. Remember, you can always change it back or select a different currency if your travel plans change or if you need to compare prices in another currency. This flexibility is one of the many features that make Kayak a favorite among travelers. Keep this quick guide in mind next time you're planning a trip or simply exploring what the world has to offer through Kayak. Happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with adventure and great deals.